Alright, boys, so we got a special weather statement. I know it's fogging up. I don't want to fix that every 10 goddamn second. Oh, never mind. I have to really do that. And it's almost severe warned. It's almost to the point of severe warned, and it's like, I don't know, 2 p.m. maybe. That got really close. So I'll get to you later. Hey, what's up, fam? Severe weather media boy here. Today we got a shelf cloud with some teal boy. So yeah. Oh, I captured that. That was a CG. That was a CG. Oh god, there's spit. I don't know. Oh, it's windy. Look at the. Oh boy. Hey guys. Oh god, it's out of focus. Oh, it's out of focus. No, I didn't get that one CG, but I did get the first one. Whoa! Alright, we had a shelf cloud over there. It's you can't really see it anymore. But it is pretty windy. Oh, it's starting to rain. Yep. Oh, God. Hey, what's up? Oh. Oh, boy. Hold up. Oh. Yep, here comes the rain. Oh, boy. Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Another CG! Holy! Oh my god! Alright. It's pretty windy. There's goddamn the road. There's waves. It's not fully over me yet. That was the loudest thunder I've heard. Not goddamn June 15th. That was. And I think I captured it too. Oh boy. It's still not fully over me yet. Yes. Because I have a feeling I'll capture another CG. Alright, alright. It's so low quality. Yeah. That teal boy still. Oh! That was a. We should have sheets now. I mean, on the road there's waves. It's goddamn big boy waves, but. Ooh, this is good. This is good. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh! you, please. Oh yeah, this is pretty. This is windy. This is windy. Yeah, there's got the trees over there going pretty wild. Ooh. Ooh, that tree. Oh! Oh! Oh my, no, it's just the wind. Holy. Oh yeah, this is good wind. Oh, the rain is going like 45. It's the trees over there. Oh my god. It's no, it's this. Oh my god. This is like tornado storm level. No, just kidding. This is good. I like this. Oh boy. Yep, there's rain sheets. I just saw it. Oh, I captured that. I captured that. What is this lightning? All of them were within like 5 miles at least. Oh, this is really windy. This is really windy. Holy, this is God. Oh my, oh! There's rain sheets, all right. This is like June 9th level almost. Ooh. I'm gonna put this down and record it, am I right? It's like I'm getting really wet. Alright, I'm putting my iPad inside because I don't. Oh! Holy! No! Oh, God! No! Alright, the iPad's getting wet. No, Mika, no. No! Alright, I'm putting my iPad inside, alright? Oh! This is windy. Alright, back. I need to stay back because the camera got really wet and I don't want this. Yeah, as you see there. And as you see in there, you can't really see. But this is really windy. Yeah, look at those trees. Oh. Oh! There's rain sheets. All right. Oh, God. Whoa! Oh God, I hope you can see this right now. This is at least the most severe storm I've had this year. Oh. Oh my God. Holy. Oh. Look at the roof. As you could probably tell from the trees in the back and the roof. Oh! This is so... Oh! This is amazing! Oh! The trees in the back. legit rain sheets. This is at least. Oh! I actually don't feel safe out here. With all this lightning being constant around me, this is like legit not okay. Oh God. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so windy. That was lightning. That's gonna be loud again. No? I can't focus because there's water. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is gonna have this. Oh. I need to report this on MP. Oh! Oh God. Oh my God. Oh God, over there again. Hold on. These are severe winds, and this thing should be tornado. Alright.